Asun tuossa Kehti ja Piispan koti.
Okay, on the 6th of July 2023, we have Ellipsikuja, Ellipsgången 9 staircase A here in Olari, Olarskostamatikudamat here in Espoo, Heski, Espoo, built by Valmet in 1983, turning 40 years old this year, 2023, and Simpress VS 63 was that digit, 85 or? Yeah, 85 is going to be expected in 2025, and it's the only elevator in this building because stages A and B, A, B, C, D don't have elevators. They have 4 floors, but should have also gotten elevators. Yes, it looks very fresh.
Yeah.
But I don't know if it has memory.
Yeah, probably, but it's boring memory, but or not, because it has in use light, so it just doesn't have it, of course.
But it doesn't need it.
Yeah. Expected by Kiwais, maintained by Espoo.
Yeah. The ground floor? I didn't think there would be an elevator here, but there was.
Yeah.
So that's it. Thank you very much. I'll put that on.
That's